modes by alterations. So let's review the I'm Dapl. This is Ionian, Mixolydian, Dorian, Aeolian, Phrygian, Locrian, and then Lydian is its own little outlier. Lydian is the sharp 4, major scale with the sharp 4. The point of I'm Dapl is an easy way to remember which mode has what alterations. All right, so the I in I'm Dapl has 0 alterations, so this is the I. The M stands for Mixolydian, has 1 alteration, and that would be a flat 7. The D is Dorian. It has 2 alterations. It has the flat 7 and the flat 3. The A is Aeolian, which has 3 alterations, flat 7, flat 3, flat 6. The P is Phrygian, has 4 alterations, flat 7, flat 3, flat 6, flat 2. And the L is Locrian, which has 5 alterations, flat 7, 3, 6, 2, 5. Now this weird order, I go in this order because that's the order in which the alterations appear. So if you look here, 0, this one would be 7. Then it's 7 and 3. Then it's 7, 3, 6, 7, 3, 6, 2, 7, 3, 6, 2, 5. So if you were putting this in the key of C and you wanted to do Dorian, that would be this scale, but it would have a flat. So here's Dorian, E flat and a B flat. Mixolydian, you look up here, Mixolydian is the M, so it's 1, it's a flat 7. As long as you know that Ionian is 0 alterations, so you can look up here as well, 0 alterations. Then the M is 1, the D is 2, A is 3, P is 4, L is 5. And you can use your fingers to count that. And the I'm Dapl, remembering I'm Dapl, just helps you remember the order that they're in. I'm Dapl. So know that I is nothing, M is 1, D is 2, etc., etc. So let's look at this over here. So Aeolian, if you do your I'm Dapl, you know, I is nothing, then MDA, 3, so it's going to have 3 alterations. And the order of alterations is always the same. It's always 7, 3, 6. Phrygian's the next one. So MDAP, 4. So there's 4 alterations. So just like the other one, 7, 3, 6, 2. And then Locrian, you know, your I'm Dapl, so you don't count I, then MDAPL, it's 5, so you have your 5 alterations. 1, or 7, 3, 6, 2, 5. Lydian's sharp 4. So that takes care of this I'm Dapl and how you use that to remember the order of alterations. Another way to think of all of this is Ionian just is simply major. Mixolydian is major with a flat 7. Dorian is major with a flat 7 and a flat 3. Aeolian is minor. You have to remember, though, that minor is flat 7, flat 3, flat 6. It's got to be in your head. So Phrygian is minor flat 2, but it's not just a flat 2. It's minor, which would infer all of this, plus the flat 2. Locrian is minor plus flat 2, flat 5. So it's all of this in the minor plus flat 2, flat 5. That, for me, that's the easiest way to remember it. So this phrase, I don't play loud music at lunch, works for modes of major. So this is the order of the modes of major. So this would be the first mode of major, the second mode, the third mode, etc., etc. And you have to know what each one stands for. So you know that 1 is Ionian, that's with the I, D, 2 is Dorian, 3 is Phrygian, 4 is Lydian, 5 is Mixolydian, 6 is Aeolian, and 7 is Locrian. So if you're in one key, this helps you figure out these kind of questions. So the third mode of C major is, so you have to know 2 things here. You have to know 1, the name of the pitch, and then 2, the name of the mode. So in the key of C, the third note is E. So if we go like this and you do C, D, E, we know the third mode of C major is E something, so we go to I don't play loud music. I don't play. 3. P stands for Phrygian. So the third mode of C is Phrygian. E Phrygian. Same thing if we do it in reverse. We could do A is the blank mode of C. So A is the, well, it happens to be also the A in this, which is a bad coincidence. C, D, E, F, G, A. So A would be the 6th mode of C. 6th mode of C, which also happens to be Aeolian. So this would be Aeolian, which is not a great example. Let's do this in another key. Okay, in the key of F, the 4th mode of F major is, so first you need to know the name of the pitch, then you need to know the name of the mode. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's going to be a B flat something, B flat, and then if we do I don't play loud, 1, 2, 3, 4, I don't play loud, L, B flat, Lydian. So the 7th mode of F, or no, this is wrong, I set this up incorrectly. So this really should be E is the blank mode of F. And the answer here is 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's your E. E is the 7th mode of F, which is the same thing as E Locrian. We'll go over how to do this in multiple keys in class.